I'm Carly, and welcome to our first ever Question Corner with Dr. Tara Kaur. I am the clinic director here, and today we're just going to be asking about what holistic biological dentistry is.
Well, thank you, Carly. I'm super excited about our video blog. We just get so many amazing questions from our patients that we thought this would be a really great opportunity to get some video up on the website and be able to connect with our community in a different way and be able to answer the amazing questions that we get every day in the office. So the question, what is holistic biological dentistry, is one of the main questions we get with prospective patients and even patients that have been with us for a long time, just understanding what the difference between that and conventional dentistry is. So if we take holistic biological dentistry and we break it down, there's a holistic aspect, a biological aspect, and a dental aspect. So the holistic aspect has to do with looking at the body and the person as an individual and looking at the whole system as working together as one. So we don't see the mouth separate from the body, which a lot of conventional dentists do. They just focus in on the mouth and they don't look at how there might be a connection between chronic inflammation in the body and periodontal disease or other other chronic illnesses or challenges that can be present. So the holistic dentist really looks at the person, the whole person. And we also look at emotional, spiritual, psychological things, stress, those things that might be coming into play with the oral health and with the health of and well-being of the overall person that we're with. So that's kind of the holistic aspect of it. And then of course we incorporate natural things into our into some of the things that I will recommend, or Bonnie, that our hygienist here, will recommend. We try to stay away from some of the antibiotics and some of the other things that you will find in conventional dentistry and use natural alternatives instead. And we'll get into all of that with our questions as we continue with the video blog. So that's the holistic part of holistic biological dentistry. Biological means we are very aware and very concerned about what we are putting into people's bodies. So as a biological dentist, we recognize that there is an issue with placing dental amalgam into the oral cavity. So we do not place dental amalgams. We use special protocols when we're removing dental amalgams. And then we want to make sure we're putting something back into the body that the body can support and it's not disruptive. So there are many ways we can test for different dental materials to ensure what is going back into the body is something that the body can support. And again, that's a whole other topic that we can get into in another video blog. So the holistic and the biological aspect of dentistry has to do with looking at each individual as a whole system and then being very concerned and very aware about what we are bringing into that system to make sure we are supporting health and wellness.
And they absolutely go hand in hand.
They absolutely go hand in hand. And the dental part, we know it's all about making sure that the teeth are healthy, the gum tissues are healthy, the bone is healthy, and evaluating. It's a reflection of what's going on in the whole body. So oftentimes if we're seeing something that's an imbalance in the mouth, it can be an indication that there's something going on with the whole body, and that can be a more comprehensive, integrative approach to health and wellness. We work together with healthcare practitioners, chiropractors, acupuncturists, naturopaths. So if we are identifying something in the mouth that we're concerned might be a connection to the whole body, then we have resources and we really work as a team with other healthcare providers to ensure that we're able to provide the services that are needed to help each person be as healthy and well as
and
they
as
possibly
an individual.
can. Yes.
Well, that's great. I think we'll wrap it up for now. But for next time, we'd love to hear back from you so we can kind of really hone in on what your concerns are. So feel free to email us. We've got at the bottom of the web page, we've got a great resource on how you can email directly to us. Otherwise, it's smile@tarakaurdds.com. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
I look forward to your questions.